Hello, my name is Lacrima and today I want to help you to grow your artist account on Twitter. I can promise you to become famous after watching this video, but if you follow these 10 tips, you will definitely realize the growing. So keep up watching until the end. A lot of people may recommend Instagram to get your art seen, but Twitter has a lot of potential to get content seen more easy without posting high quality art every day. Let me share my experience with you how I raised nearly 3,000 followers within 2 years. And there's to add that I had no idea how to use Twitter for almost the first year. So here are 10 tips to grow your following on Twitter too. I also included tips I didn't know about when I started. Here's tip number 1, your name. Before you create your account, make sure you have an artist name that is unique but simple. If you need help to create a good artist name, watch my video How to Create an Artist Name. It's linked in the description and the info box. Set up your page. When people visit your page, make sure it's visible what your content was about. As an artist, it would make sense to use your own art for your profile icon and header. Make sure to create a short description about yourself, of your art and link to your website. Twitter also allows you to pin a tweet on the top of your profile. You may want to retweet other creators by time, so this tweet won't get buried under new tweets and will be always visible. So set up a tweet that includes your art, a small description and your profile links. People who like your art may retweet it, so make sure to refresh it by time when your art has improved or your links have changed. Be consistent with art tweets. Make sure you already created enough art to upload some art every few days or are able to create new art meanwhile. Your first tweet shouldn't be random though, so I'd recommend to say that you are new and use hashtags like first tweet, new Twitter account, welcome Twitter, new on Twitter and new artist. Don't forget to add your own artwork. The first time is the most important to make a difference from the start. People may find you sooner and see that you're an artist. Accounts that start with only one owned content and don't show any new for months seem not worth to follow, so make sure to show activity. Tweets don't last long, so you can retweet your own art after a few hours or quote retweet on the next day. But don't overdo it. No one wants to see the same content again and again. Quality content. Make sure to practice and improve your skills to offer better art by time. But this should be your goal anyways, am I right? However, you can share your work in progress and tell people what you are working at. Keep them up to date. There's no need to produce high quality art every single day and just do what you enjoy. You can also create fan art. Don't do it too often though if you're an original artist. You want to make sure to reach the right audience that stays. Another way to gain audience would be to draw art especially made to celebrate days like St. Patrick's Day, Mother's Day or Christmas. Besides art, you can also motivate other artists with quotes or share your own experience and thoughts. A great mix of valuable content is education, entertainment, inspiration and behind the scenes. Education may be tutorials. Entertainment could be Artshares or memes. And inspiration should be your own art. Behind the scenes, work in progress. It can be a mix of your own and retweeted content. You can also quote retweet funny art related memes or motivation quotes by other artists. Just don't overdo it and make sure to offer some content every day. When you need some time off from social media, let your followers know. If you plan a longer break, make sure to make a pinned tweet about your hiatus. Your followers will understand and know you didn't stop to use your account. Use hashtags and be up to date. Check out trending tags especially in your niche or try to use general ones when they match with your content. But only use those which are really relevant. Too many hashtags or those which have nothing to do with your tweet are worthless. You may want to reach the right audience and don't waste space or time. Good hashtags may be artist, artist on Twitter, Feature Friday or Motivation Monday. To discover more tags, you can, for example, put a hashtag and type any word like art or a specific day, and there will be shown up some to pick from. It also shows up currently trending ones with the amount of tweets in the last hour. Those raise the chance to get your tweets seen. Be up to date and check out art-related trends like Art vs. Artist, Art Summary 2020, Portfolio Day, Visible Women, or join art chains. There are also plenty of art-related challenges like Draw This in Your Style, May, Inktober, or 1 Week Portrait. Don't be shy to try out non-art related trends too, such as get away from your account for an hour and let people say something nice about you, or what vibes do I give? Those are fun and can also raise your engagement. Activate analytics and learn from them. Twitter offers an amazing overview of analytics for free, which will allow you to find out what content of yours was most successful. You will need to activate it first and it will start to analyze right after. It will show out the first results after a month. But after this, you can check it every day. And I highly recommend to do every few days when you need to find out how to improve your tweets. You will see that specific days and hashtags may gain more engagement, so you would like to make sure to use them more often. Call to actions. When you want to raise your engagement, make sure to ask questions or motivate others to take actions. An easy way can be polls about art-related opinions. They are even a good way to get direct feedback from your target group, like, what do you like most about my art? Or would you like to see more fan art? Call to actions on your art can be something like, who knows what character this is? Or please check out my website. A fun way may be click battles. You can make a tweet with 2 artworks and write, which of them is your favorite? Like for the first and retweet for the second. Just anything that motivates others to interact with your tweets. And make sure to answer the comments you receive. When you ignore interactions, people will lose interest. Make raffles and giveaways. But don't do it too often, cause you may gain a lot of followers in a short time, but chances are high they only join the raffle and leave right after. Instead, use milestones or other special events like your birthday to celebrate. It makes it even look less random and more special. It's also a good way to keep your current followers motivated to support you and give a chance to return the favor. Join Artshare threads and make your own. A good way to share your art and get connected with other artists are Artshare threads. When I discovered those and made my own, it was the breaking point when my audience increased a lot and I also met amazing artist friends. Make sure to tag other artists you like when you join Artshares and support others. When you want to make your own thread, comment as a first person and include your art and introduction. It ranks your thread higher and you get your art seen. Use common tags. Be careful with too many comments and retweets in a short time. It may harm your account and may be seen as spam by Twitter. Don't be afraid if you join a high amount of followers and see some leaving as fast as they followed. Some just try to trick you to follow back, but those are not the ones you should feel bad about to lose. Your goal might be to get followers who are actually interested in you and your art. And last but most important advice, build a community. Search for artists in your niche or different artists you like and follow them. You may find them on Artshare or by using the search function. Make sure to not only follow popular artists but also smaller ones. Artists with a high following like DP Arts and Robust and such are promoting other artists into popular Artshare threads. I'm doing it as well. Don't be shy and leave other artists some comments and likes. Their page will also give you an idea how to improve your account. You can learn about from what and how often they tweet and if they offer something special or funny. Get inspiration, but don't be a copy of someone else. Be authentic, be yourself. Never follow and unfollow just to gain followers. Seriously, no one likes self-centered people. So make sure you are really interested in artists you follow. You will not only be able to enjoy their amazing art on your feed, but also can be part of a community. I experience the Twitter art community as the most supportive one, which motivates each other, helps those who get bullied and fight together against art thieves. So be communicative and make friends and reply to people. There's also a way to create groups with the chat function. You can reach much more when you support each other. I hope I was able to help you with your art journey on Twitter with my tips. Some of them may be enough to fill their own video though. So let me know in the comments which of the topics you'd like me to explain in detail, or if something was missing in your opinion. I also would like to know what helped you the most to raise your following. Share your experience and tips. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful weekend.